Hello guys, welcome to the NEM-TRADE. I hope everyone is fine. So we are going to talk about a new node of AI, which is Uprock, which is similar to the grass nodes. We can say for it you have to just enter your email, take the code from their website, as I'm showing you in the video as well. Confirm that you are a human, and then you will get the code. After that, enter the code on the website. So confirmation code. As you enter the code on the website, it will open the interface where you have to complete the points such as like set up profile points. After that, you have to go on many sites. You can check the whole website as well. And after that, you have to install. If you are using an Android, you can install the Android. If you are using macOS. If you are using a Windows system, then you should use KOII. As I am downloading KOII also, I will show you it as well. And as you go rewards, as you go, it is in the lobby sections. If we show you that what kind of project it is a deepen project, which means a decentralized infrastructure project. It is an AI project similarly to the grass, but it is a bit different because the grass is a data layer project, and they are also going to launch data layer rollups. And as you go in the websites, you can check out their details as well, and you can download KOI nodes from here. As you download them from Windows, for Linux, for Mac, you can download it from here. You have just download it, then create an account on it. Like Gaga node, it will be similar to it. And we have also news for the Meson Network as well. As this get downloads, you can just simply just do it. You can also run multiple node on your system Windows by using BlueStacks. And you can go on Meson Network. You should change in the exchange the gaga amount reward into the MSN token. And we have also Moesiki airdrop. You have to just mint the free names on Moesiki, for it will help you in the airdrop as well. And we have also ENA token, which we made you few 2 days or 3 days back video on it. As you open it will show you it went from 0.64 to the 0.9. Almost it is currently above the $1. Almost it had hit it. Sorry, it had hit it the $1. So we bought around 0.65. So it is going great. So I hope everyone watched that video. If you haven't, then it's okay. We will keep updating you. Don't worry about it. Have a good day. Bye bye.